Hi, my name is Rinna, and I go to Saratoga High School, and I'm a rising junior. So my project name is Simon Says. The different parts of my project, so I have the PCB board, which is the red board, and it's used to support and connect the electronic components together. And the PCB board is what contains thin layers of wired circuits placed into a flat surface. And then by using the soldering iron, I was able to connect all the individual parts onto the board. And then I have the two capacitors. They help prevent surges and drops in the electric circuit electric current. And without the capacitors, the circuit won't function properly, or it just won't be complete. And then I have a resistor, which is used to reduce the current flow, and it can also be used to provide a specific voltage which would be needed for the circuit to function. I have a microcontroller, which is programmed to allow the lights, which are in the buttons, to blink, which are small LED light bulbs. And then the buzzer as well, which makes the sound effects as the game is being played. And then I have the bezels and the stand and the screws to help hold down the buttons. So the way the game works is if you turn on the switch, there will be like light patterns shown with the LEDs. So you follow the pattern and you keep pressing down the pattern that is shown, and then until you lose, and then it'll restart. So I enjoyed soldering all the individual parts from the bottom of the PCB board and using the soldering tool. And then I struggled with my power switch. So when I soldered the power switch onto the board, I soldered it too much to the point where the plastic on the switch melted, which prevented it from turning on and off. So I had to add a new power switch with two prongs, and I used a wire to connect it to two of the holes on the PCB board, which if you look, they have two, you can see the two wired circuits in the board. So there was only need for two wires rather than all three.